Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word engraved. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The wedding bands were beautifully engraved with the couple's initials and wedding date. Engraved means to carve or cut designs or writing onto a surface, typically using a sharp tool or laser to create permanent and intricate markings. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.